Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillah wa syukurillah atas ni'amihi. Baik teman-teman, pada kesempatan ini kita akan membahas tentang basic grammar, yang subjek kita hari ini adalah pronoun. Ya, kita sama-sama sudah mengerti pronoun ini sebagai fungsi dalam basic English language yang harus kita pahami. Ya, baik, mohon perhatiannya, ya, mohon perhatiannya agar betul-betul menjadi perhatian teman-teman semuanya, ya, dalam penjelasan ini. Yang pertama kita lihat dari chartnya pronoun ini, ya. Kita lihat di situ ada orang pertama, the first person, the second person, ya, ada the third person. Jadi subject pronoun, ya, itu ada subject pronoun, ada I, you, he, she, it, we, you, there, ya. Nah, di sampingnya ada the first person, second person, dan third person, ya, third person. Nah, kemudian yang subjek pronounnya kita lihat ada I, you, he, she, it, we, there. And object pronoun we see here about the me, you, him, her, it, use, us, you, them. So the possessive adjective we see here my, your, his, her, its, our, your, their. And possessive pronoun, ya, kalau tadi possessive adjective, sekarang possessive pronouns mine, your, his, her, ya. So ours, your, their. And reflexive pronoun myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself, ourself, yourself, and themselves. Ini tentang pronoun, how is the pronoun, when the become the pronoun. Okay, next, personal pronoun. Yeah, personal pronoun can replace a noun on another pronoun. Example, Mary is my sister. She is my sister. We use pronoun like he, her, us, them to make our sentences less repetitive and less cumbersome. And third, Robert. That Robert was her best friend. Yeah, she told him that he was her best friend. Okay, next, the subject and object pronoun. We see here, this parent, subject pronoun and object pronoun. We see the subject pronoun I, you, he, she, it, we, there, and object pronoun me, you, him, her, it, you, us. Next, about the singular and plural. Yeah, the subject or the pronoun is singular. We see I, you, he, she, it. Yeah, example, I play the tennis. So the plural, we go to the beach. Yeah, you, there, and other. It's about the singular and the plural from the pronoun or from the subject. Next, subject pronoun. We see the subject pronoun here. Subject pronoun takes the place of the noun. Jadi dia sebagai subjek daripada noun. Kita lihat di sini, I'm reading a book. It's good. Ya, tidak perlu kita sebutkan lagi book is good, tapi kita gantikan, ya. Kita gantikan pronoun kata ganti menjadi it's, ya. some book. Oke, I am reading some book. Some book jadi bukan it tetapi menjadi there and other, ya, dan seterusnya. Jadi kita bisa membedakan itu semua, ya. Next, the complete the sentence with the pronoun. Oke, nanti silakan dicoba dikerjakan, ya, di latihannya, ya, dilatih, kemudian nanti disiapkan nanti, ya, dicoba dilatih tentang pronoun ini, ya. Next, object pronoun. Nah, kalau kita lihat tadi object pronoun lebih jelas lagi ini, ya, subject pronoun, objeknya pronoun, ya, me, can you help me, ya, I know you, she is not in love with him, ya, dan seterusnya. Jadi banyak contoh-contoh yang di situ yang harus Anda pahami, nanti Anda buat contohnya, ya. Next, we use the object pronoun when the pronoun is object of the verb. Ya, kita menggunakan object pronoun jika pronoun itu objek daripada kata-kata benda, ya. Ani meet John. He invites him to concert, ya. Concert. Jadi betul-betul seperti itu. Jadi yang objeknya apa? John, ya. John diganti menjadi pronoun yaitu him. Oke, next, object pronoun go after the verb, ya. Kita bahwa objek pronoun itu datang setelah verb. Contohnya I love you, ya, I love you. Yang salahnya I you love, salah, ya. Oke, next, we also use the object pronoun after preposition, ya, setelah kata depan. Listen to me, ya, I'm in love with her, ya. Jadi yang salah adalah I'm in love with she, ya, itu salah. Yang benar I'm in love with her, ya, her-nya yang menjadi pronoun, objek pronoun, sedangkan me-nya juga menjadi objek pronoun. Next, about the pronoun first person, ya, the second person, the third, ya, third person, third person. Itu ada subjek, ada possessive pronoun, ada possessive adjektif, ya. Silakan untuk Anda bisa membedakan, ya, sebagai catatan. Next adalah possessive pronoun. Possessive pronoun are used to talk about things that they belong to the people, ya. Yours, mine, your, her, his, our, and their are the possessive pronoun. Example, this book is mine. Have you lost yours, Tom? Here, this is an example from the possessive pronoun. Next, possessive adjective, ya, my shirt is green. Your book is new, ya. So and until the last, ya. So possessive pronoun, ya, possessive pronoun mine, ya. Kalau di sebelahnya di possessive adjective, ini possessive pronoun. Itu ada bedanya seperti itu, ya. Kemudian next, possessive pronoun, masih dibahas possessive pronoun. Possessive pronoun indicate the close possession of the ownership or relationship of the thing. Jadi selalu berhubungan, ya, indikasi dengan sesuatu, gitu. Contohnya, this book is mine. That car is her. Your book is old. Mine is new, ya, dan seterusnya, ya. Next, is worksheet 1, ya, identify the possessive pronoun. Mana yang termasuk possessive pronoun? Silakan diidentifikasikan, nanti dibuat di latihan, ya. Next, we use the possessive adjective and pronoun when we want to express possession. For the example, this is my pen. A possessive adjective is used only with a noun following it. This pen is mine. Ya, berperhatian jangan sampai it's itu ya. Contohnya I have a book ya, its cover is black. Itu yang harus diperhatikan ya. Next itu masih contoh yang tadi ya. It is my pen, they are his keys, this pen is mine, their keys are his. In the group A, we are talking about the possessive adjective, and in the group B, we are talking about the possessive pronoun. Okay, next, reflexive pronoun, ya, reflexive pronoun, ya. Reflexive pronoun is usually used when the object of the sentence is the same as the subject, as you will see below. Ya, correct, I cut myself. Incorrect, I cut me. Nah, itu ya. Jadi dia menyatakan diri sendiri tapi harus diganti menjadi reflexive, myself. Ya, I cut me nggak boleh tapi I cut myself. Ya, personal pronoun ya, I, you, she, it, and etc. Ya. Reflexive pronoun is from the example with the clearly ya, correct example and incorrect example. Next, reflexive pronoun describes the noun when the subject action affect the subject itself. Ya, selalu ditambahkan kata-kata self, myself, yourself dan seterusnya. Itu yang mengindikasikan bahwa dia termasuk reflexive pronoun. Ya. Additional material ya, ada tambahan sedikit tentang pronoun ini. Ada demonstrative pronoun. Demonstrative pronoun example that, this, those, that ya. Kalau that dia singular, this singular, dan plural adalah those dan that ya. Itu dinamakan demonstrative pronoun. Next, we see here this parent by the descriptive pronoun ya, demonstrative pronoun that, this, that, those ya. Here ada singular and the plural, and English grammar here, there. Okay, singular this, that, plural this, those. Here the example from the demonstrative pronoun. Okay, so we declare the example from the plural and singular. The singular, the one, the apple, yeah, this is an apple, that is an apple, and plural, there are the apple, those, yeah, these are apples, those are the apples. So the next, the finish the pronoun, yeah, the example all, bird, few, no one, each, many, any, and other. Yeah. No one knew the answer, but the few that try. You must explain it to me. Yeah. Okay. Next. Identify the pronoun. Okay, we can say here. Always the singular. Nah, selalu dia satu. Ya. Always plural, both. Singular or plural, no one, yeah. Some, more, most, and other, yeah. We can see the example here. People, someone, thing, something, place, somewhere. Nah, ini ya contoh-contoh daripada indefinite the pronoun. Okay, example indefinite pronoun, yeah. Here we can see here. Next example, here example, someone is at the door. Yeah, so I do not now know who is this. It is not definite who is there. Okay, the example from the definite the pronoun. Next, you can see here, people, thing, the place. Yeah, some, any, no, every. Yeah, we can example from the here. So we can see the people, the thing, the place. We can make the for the example from the indefinite the pronoun. So the last maybe maybe the last here interrogative pronoun. From the interrogative pronoun we can see here we use the who, whom, whose, what. So which we can use the for the interrogative pronoun. Maybe enough here. Just talking about the pronoun. I want everybody of you to study and read this video, and understand one by one. So to give example for me, you can read in your exercise, in your assessment to collect to me about the pronoun. Maybe enough here or the subject about the pronoun. This opportunity. Thank you very much for the attention. I say you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.